Our concept is an iPhone 7 and 7 Plus case that includes a 3.5mm audio jack, along with the Lightning port, allowing the user to have a conventional phone again. The consumer would be able to use the headphones they already own without Apple's converter and listen to music and charge their phones simultaneously. In order to do anything with Apple, you have to go through the MiFi certification process. Most of those already out there are trying to do so in the wrong way. Because why would Apple license a product that defeats their own innovation? Price is our biggest design specification. In short, we want to create a case that is comparable in price to a conventional case, but also betters the user experience.
Alright, do I question?
What do you hear?
It's not connected. How? Let it be. Beatles. We're going live.
This is music. This is good.
I hear music.
Alright, so what do you hear?
Let it be.
Let it be, the Beatles.